Hey gals, it's 8 p.m. and my Ningxia order arrived today, and so I wanted to make this quick video to walk you through what I got because it was pretty amazing this month. November is amazing. So this month I decided to spend a little bit more than I usually do. I decided to do a full 400 PV order. I got my combo packs. That's 2 Ningxia bottles and 1 box of pouches. So I got 4 bottles and 60 pouches all together, and then my supposed to be 5 Super B vitamins. And so that was my $400 order. Now, as you can see, I spent $405, but I actually got $700 worth of product. So I essentially got $300 worth of free stuff this month. I'm so excited. So that's what I wanted to really share with you this month. Was what you get. So you get the holiday gift guide, which has a lot of cool ideas in it. My personal favorite, where is it? Aha. They have dark chocolate truffles with Ningxia in them. I'm so freaking excited. Or if you like peppermint and almond, they have that one too. So holiday gift guide. All right, and then these are the oils that come if you for different levels. So if you do 100 PV, you're gonna get nutmeg. Oh my gosh, I love nutmeg. I never used to like it because it was pre-ground, but once I actually had the little nuts and I could grind them myself, I put them in everything. I'm gonna put this in my eggnog, in my hot chocolate, in my kids' French toast. Wherever you put cinnamon, put nutmeg. It's the oil of self-confidence. It's very warming. It's great for digestion. Yep. So don't inhale this one. This isn't one that you would diffuse. This is one that you would ingest. You would put a couple drops wherever you want to eat it, and then take it internally. So it's really great for digestion. So 100 PV order gets you nutmeg. If you do 190, you get Northern Lights Black Spruce. Oh my gosh, I had to crack these open to smell them because this one, I want you guys just to imagine like a snowy day in the middle of a pine forest, and then, oh, that's what this smells like. It is phenomenal. It's a really grounding oil, and it's a very masculine scent. So if you're gonna do a massage maybe, or massage oil, especially for your significant other, this is a really great one to use for that. It also shows up in the Christmas Spirit blend. It is Christmas incarnate. It is orange, it is spruce, and it's cinnamon. So if you can't bake cookies with your kids every single afternoon, just diffuse this one. I plan on diffusing it pretty much every day until January. All right, for 250 order, you get myrrh. So myrrh is one of the sacred oils, obviously Christmas time, so frankincense and myrrh. Myrrh is great for a lot of things. It's supposed to be connecting to Mother Earth and feelings of security and trust. It's an astringent, so it tightens your gums, it tones your skin, it clears congestion, gets fluids flowing in the right direction. The Egyptians actually use this as their toothpaste. So this one's really great. And then the yin to the yang is the sacred frankincense. So this one connects you with the Heavenly Father. This is the oil that, if I could only have 2 oils in my cupboard, it would be frankincense and lavender. So lavender is just diverse, you can use it for everything, but frankincense is the most potent. So it's amazing. You guys should research it. It goes through the blood-brain barrier. It's been shown to help with brain, skin, regenerating cells. The kiddos are coming. So frankincense is absolutely amazing. So
what are you doing, Mommy?
I'm making a video. So frankincense, and then also with the 300 PV order comes this gorgeous diffusion ornament. So you'll take that and you'll take one of these little stick things. You'll put some oils in the bottom. I can't get the stick out one-handed. There we go. And you just toss it in there, and then you can hang that on your tree or wherever else you want it and diffuse. For me, it's going to be that Christmas spirit all season long. And then lastly, the reason that I decided to spend 400 PV this month was this little bottle.
I want to have it.
You want to smell it? Okay. This one is never offered. It's a brand new offer, and they're just offering it for November, and you have to spend the 400 to get it. It has jasmine, it has rose, it has sandalwood, it has frankincense, it has spruce, it has spearmint, lemon, lime. I put it on a few minutes ago, and it just keeps unpacking. It's the most layered fragrance I have ever smelled, and it's supposed to connect you with others, connect you with the divine. It's just a really, really beautiful and unique smell. So I wanted to let you know what the things are, and if you guys do decide that you want to place an order this month, I am absolutely happy to send you samples of any or all of these so that you can try them and get them in your cupboard. All right, guys, sending you lots of love. Bye-bye.